the money come from, singer?
If this nigga Adam just say his mama was gonna send him away, yo, spit ass nigga, go back to that.
We gon' spin that block and we gon' up that fucking score. We chase him down, we let it